Okay, so kung pupunta kayo ng Disneyland dito sa Tokyo, yung pinakamalapit na station is Maihama Station. So kung nasa Tokyo Station kayo or Ueno, punta kayo ng Tokyo Station, tapos sakay kayo ng JR line going to Maihama Station. Tapos from Maihama Station, pagkalabas nyo, nandun na yung Disneyland Resort line. Okay, so itong Disneyland na train is apat yung station. So yung sasakyan natin is Resort Gateway Station. Yung first stop is Tokyo Disneyland Station, and then Bayside Station, and then last yung Tokyo Disney Sea Station. We are here sa Tokyo Disney Sea. So yung na-charge sa card natin is 300 yen, Japanese yen. So from Gateway Station to Disney Sea Station,